Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. All right, let's begin. First, open your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, go to Settings and then select Domains. Here you'll manage everything related to your store's domain. Click on Connect Existing Domain and type in the domain name you purchased from Hostinger. Then click Next. Shopify will automatically check your DNS settings. If configured correctly, your domain will appear in your list of connected domains. Now, switch over to Hostinger. Log into your account and open the H panel. From the main menu, go to the Domains section. You'll see a list of all your domains under Domains Portfolio. Find the one you want to connect and click Manage. Inside the Management settings, go to DNS Name Servers. Next, add the new DNS records. Enter them exactly as Shopify instructs. Then save your changes. Once done, return to your Shopify setup page and click I've updated the DNS records. This confirms to Shopify that the changes are complete and allows them to finalize the connection. So that's basically how you can connect hosting your domain to Shopify. That's it for this video. Thanks.